dear little girl, what's the rush? How about supper? Just the two of us.
Oh, Mr. Wolf, you want me to stay, but I fear we'll regret it one day. I have the thing you love, but the need in me is way too much. If I open wide, one of us may get lost inside. Me or you, one of us is going to need to die.
My dear little girl, just a bite, and you will be consumed with delight.
Oh, Mr. Wolf, my hunger is real, but they say there's more to love than a meal.
The old and upright, what do they know? I'm all appetite, you'll help me to grow.
Oh, my love, I want you to, but my desire may prove your doom. You have the thing I love, but the need in me is way too much. If I open wide, one of us may get lost inside. Me or you, one of us is going to need to die. If I taste you, will we know if love kills or makes you whole? Tears you open, takes you home. You have the thing I love, but the fear in me is way too much. If I open wide, one of us may get lost inside. Me or you, one of us is going to need to die. I have the thing you love. You love, you die.